Alright, we're gonna make some scones. Hey! And here, what do we have to? Preheated oven, 210. It's divided in 2 packets. How convenient. Okay, so I can just read from the box. Oh, I love it. I love when shit works out. I have a bunch of like raspberries and blueberries that need to be eaten. So I thought the best way for them to be eaten, I make scones. 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 Alright, so 230 mils of water. Whee! Do I have to knead this with my hand? Ooh, this smells really good. What if I just knead it out? Does that work? Okay. Jade, did you think about this? No. Okay. Hang on. Hold up. Oh, I'm like the epitome of sick right now, so don't judge me too harshly. But the scones look good. Scones. 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 Fuck. How do you pronounce it? Ugh, ignore the oven. But yeah. They look good. They look good. Alright, I'll see you later.